Hey guys, Jose here with Volkswagen in Puyallup. Just wanted to talk to you guys about the features that we have for our Volkswagen CarNet app, also known as MyVW. And here we are. So this is the home menu. Right here we have a 2022 Tiguan. It's currently locked. Estimated range here, so you're never going to be running out of gas. 265 miles, and this is the total miles on the vehicle listed here. We do have a remote start right at the top, door locks, honk and flash in case anyone's hanging around your car. These are some of my favorites here, especially for parents. Boundary alerts, curfew alerts, speed alerts. So if your kid's driving the car, you can track them the whole time, and this will give you alerts on your phone, letting you know if they're out too late or driving too fast. And then you also are able to schedule service here. So service for the dealership. Our next scheduled service here is in 9,402 miles. This is you can choose your home dealership. It's Volkswagen in Puyallup is chosen here. Vehicle health report, there's no issues with the car. Recalls, so if there's any recalls or anything, it's actually gonna pop up here and let you know to go to your nearest dealership. Service history is here as well available, and maintenance and parts and maintenance and warranty for your specific car. You're actually even able to always have kind of the location of your vehicle. So right now it's across the street from us over here, and we're right here. Over here you can buy more plans. Safe and secure and Wi-Fi hotspot are included, but you can upgrade the Wi-Fi hotspot to be unlimited. And that's for up to 4 different vehicles. Remote access is what we use to remote start the car, lock and unlock the car as well. And then drive view, this is if you want to use it for, you're using your drive view score to get better rates on insurance, but that is optional. And then here's just your profile, vehicle management, and then the about me, about terms for MyVW. And that's CarNet. So after your purchase of a new Volkswagen from Volkswagen in Puyallup, make sure to download the CarNet app to fully utilize all the tools that Volkswagen is providing for you.